Imagine waking up to the sound of waves, the golden sunlight streaming through your window, and the beach just steps away from your door. Welcome to your dream coastal retreats. A stunning modern duplex apartment perfectly positioned on the front line of Quarteira Beach. Boasting breathtaking panoramic sea views, this luxurious 4-bedroom duplex apartment effortlessly combines modern elegance with the serene charm of beach lifestyle. From your terrace, enjoy the endless blue horizon and feel the gentle ocean breeze. Your daily backdrop for relaxation or entertainment. The heart of this home is a light-filled, open-plan living area that flows seamlessly into a fully fitted kitchen. Designed with both style and functionality in mind, this space is perfect for gatherings with family and friends or enjoying a quiet moment to yourself. And with floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors, this beauty of the coastline is always within view. Upstairs, 3 spacious ensuite bedrooms offer privacy and comforts, each a sanctuary designed to help you unwind after a day in the sun. Downstairs, a versatile 4th bedroom currently set up as a study adds flexibility to suit your lifestyle. There are also designated parking spaces in a secured communal garage and a private storage area. And when you're ready to explore, the vibrant Quarteira community is right outside your door. Whether you're savoring your morning coffee, browsing the local shops, or enjoying a delicious meal, every moment feels like a part of the perfect beachside experience. For more information, please check our reference 4057 on our website or contact me for a visit. Thank you for watching.